Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. In this video, I am going to show you the best, beautiful, stunning and latest collection of curtain designs that are trending in 2020. So stay with us and watch this video till the end. If you are new at my channel, then I have a request to all of you guys that you can subscribe us for more videos like this. You can also share this video with your friends and fellows as well, and please hit the like button if you enjoy it. Earlier, curtain designs were used for windows, but now it has evolved to various types of other parts of the interior too. Curtain designs have become an essential part of interior design today. You need to select a correct type of curtain cloth and rod to bear its weight. Having a heavy curtain on the delicate rod can fall down, so it is necessary to have a strong rod or pole to have heavy curtains. You will find a variety of curtain cloth prints. It may be ready or in material too. By selecting curtain material, you can stitch it as per your size requirement. You can even add some decoration idea to curtain designs to give a new form to it. Different types of curtains can give a beautiful look to your doors, windows of the kitchen, bedroom, balcony, and front yard. The eye-catchy different curtain designs will be complementing and able to receive plenty of likeness. To select the right choice of fabric and design for curtain demands sound knowledge of interiors. In today's tough competition, you can also get curtain patterns on the internet. You will find a lot of information from the internet by sitting at your home only. You do not need to run here and there is searching for different types of curtains. One can even order from here. One can even combine a few curtain clothes to make out a fresh curtain. This combination of curtain cloth will form out the latest piece of curtain which will not be available anywhere else. In the present day, the number of creativeness is done in curtain cloth. By this, your curtain will look distinct. You can also design a curtain for yourself. Curtain styles can be stitched out from leftover fabric and various designs. This mismatched patterns in curtains will give altogether a new look. So this was all about the curtain designs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, then please hit the like button. You can also subscribe us for the more videos like this. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay blessed. Stay happy.